When you obtain a mortgage to purchase a condo, you must finance the cost of your individual unit as well as your shared interest in the common areas. The application process and available mortgage products are affected by many factors unique to the condo market, such as whether or not the condo project is approved by Fannie Mae, FHA, or VA. Your lender will also take into consideration the percentage of units that have sold and are owner-occupied. The type of project, such as new construction or conversion of an existing building, is also considered. The Homeowners Association may also set requirements. Condos used as primary residences, second homes, and investment properties have varying rules. If you are purchasing the condo as an investment property, expect to pay a higher interest rate. The percentage of the purchase price required for the down payment may also be higher. It is more difficult to qualify for investment property funding as well. Condos to be used as second homes will have mortgage guidelines that are different than those for primary residences. Your lender will explain the necessary documentation and approval process for financing